Today, I'll walk you through how to remove custom rows in Power BI, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to filter out unwanted data so you can streamline your reports and enhance your data analysis. Let's get started. First, open Power BI Desktop. This is your main workspace where all the magic happens. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core functions remain the same. Once you have Power BI open, navigate to the top menu and click on Transform Data. This will take you to the Power Query Editor, where you can manipulate your data. Think of this as your workshop, where you can refine and shape your data just like a sculptor chiseling away at a block of marble. You're creating something more useful. Now go to the table that contains the rows you want to remove. You'll see all your data laid out in a grid format. Next, click the drop-down arrow in the first column header. This action will display a list of all the unique values in that column. Here, you can uncheck the box next to the row that you want to delete. This filters the table and will hide the unchecked rows. It's like putting a filter on your camera to focus on just the right subject. To permanently delete those rows, click on Keep Rows in the top menu. This option allows you to specify which rows to retain based on your current filter. In the text box that appears, enter the number of remaining rows after removing the unwanted ones. This step ensures that only the rows you want are kept, effectively cleaning up your dataset. Once you've made these changes, it's time to save your work. Click on File in the top left corner and select Save. This will ensure that your modifications are stored, allowing you to continue working with a cleaner dataset in the future. And there you have it. You've successfully removed custom rows in Power BI. Remember, filtering and managing your data effectively can significantly enhance your reporting capabilities. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.